Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're a Jeep owner and you've suddenly got an ABS or ESP warning light staring you in the face, don't panic. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most common fault codes that can cause this. C121C, which stands for a torque request signal denied. It sounds complicated, but stick with me, and we'll break it down into simple, easy to understand steps. So, what exactly does this code mean? In modern Jeeps, various modules like the anti-lock brake system, or ABS, and the electronic stability program, or ESP, constantly communicate with the powertrain control module, or PCM, which is basically your engine's brain. These systems work together to keep you safe on the road. For example, when the traction control kicks in, the ABS module tells the PCM to reduce engine torque to prevent wheel spin. The C121C code pops up when the PCM denies this request from the ABS module. It's like the engine's brain is saying, nope, not doing that. And the ABS system logs a fault because its command was ignored. Now, why would the PCM deny this request? The most common reason is that there's another, more serious problem happening with the engine or transmission. The PCM is programmed to prioritize its own health and the core functions of the vehicle. If it detects a critical issue, like a misfire, a sensor failure, or a problem with the throttle body, it will enter a limp mode, or fault state. In this state, it ignores requests from other modules, like the ABS, to prevent further damage. Think of it as the PCM having its own bigger fires to put out. So, the C121C code is often a symptom, not the root cause. It's pointing you towards a different, underlying issue. So, how do you fix it? The first and most important step is to scan all the modules in your vehicle, not just the ABS module. You need a good quality OBD scanner that can read codes from the PCM, the transmission control module, and others. When you scan the PCM, you will almost certainly find other trouble codes stored there. These are the codes you need to focus on. For example, you might find a code for a faulty crankshaft position sensor, a throttle position sensor error, or even a cylinder misfire. These are your real culprits. Let's walk through a common scenario. You scan your Jeep and find C121C in the ABS module, but you also find code P0301, a cylinder 1 misfire in the PCM. The misfire is the primary problem. The PCM detected the misfire, which is a serious engine issue, and as a result, it denied the torque reduction request from the ABS system, triggering the C121C code. To fix the problem, you need to diagnose and repair the cause of the misfire. This could be a bad spark plug, a faulty ignition coil, or a clogged fuel injector on cylinder 1. Once you fix the misfire and clear the codes from the PC, the C121C code in the ABS module should clear as well, and not return. Another frequent cause is related to the electronic throttle body. If the throttle position sensors are failing or the throttle body itself is malfunctioning, the PCM won't trust the signals it's receiving. It can't safely reduce torque if it doesn't have accurate control over the throttle. So, it will deny the request from the ABS module. Again, you'd find specific throttle body related codes in the PCM that would lead you to the correct repair. In summary, when you see the C121C code, don't waste time and money replacing ABS components. Your ABS module is likely working just fine. Instead, grab a comprehensive scanner, check your powertrain control module for other codes, and address those first. Resolving the primary engine or transmission faults will almost always resolve the C121C code. I hope this video helps you demystify this tricky code and saves you some diagnostic headaches. If you found this information useful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever dealt with this code yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.